Namaskara Vikshakre, Pranam Sathiyo and hello fellow sapiens. You are listening to Mo Traveler Akshay from this side of the video. My friend Pratik and myself planned a bike ride to Maralwadi Dam on an early Sunday morning. It was drizzling all along the way and the route was very scenic. This location is around 60 to 75 kilometers from Bangalore depending on where you stay. We reached Maralwadi Dam via Biddi and Harley. The location link is available in the description. It was such a beautiful and scenic ride on wet roads which cannot be described in words. I have made a separate video of the ride on this complete stretch which is available in the info button above. You will be encountering multiple such tree canopies if you take this route. Be very careful while nearing this location as you can easily miss the deviation. A visit to a beautiful location on a Sunday morning is an easy refresher for the upcoming hectic week. Maralwadi Dam is located near the Kanakpura town in Ramnagara district. This dam is a small reservoir that is built across the river Arkavati, which is a tributary of the river Kaveri. The main purpose for the construction of this dam is to provide water needed for the irrigation of agricultural land in the nearby villages. This place is quite close to Karnataka Tamil Nadu state border. This reservoir was built in the year 1938. The physical structure of the dam extends up to 480 meters in length and rises to a height of 16.5 meters from the foundation. Well, after spending quite some time, it was time to head back. Request to like, share, subscribe, and add your valuable comments. Thank you.